Various two poles are connected to an electric circuit according to the desired function. Here, for example, an active 2 terminal consisting of 4 batteries and 3 passive 2 terminals, a light bulb, and 2 resistors are to be connected. Connecting cables provide the electrical connection between the two poles and thus the function of the circuit. In this example, the structure is arranged a bit more clearly so that the current flow is clearly visible, starting from the source, through the first resistor, next through the light bulb, and finally back to the source. Parallel to the bulb, there is another resistor. The wiring can be graphically represented by the circuit symbols for the individual two poles as a so-called electrical circuit diagram. It consists of 4 batteries, a passive 2-pole, which we call resistor R1, a lamp, L, and a second passive 2-pole, R2. Finally, in this example, the current and voltage reference arrows in the 2 poles should be plotted. According to the system's voltage source, the current flows out of the batteries and to the active 2 poles. Simultaneously, there is a current I1 at the 2-pole, R1. At the node, the current is divided into a current IL through the lamp and a current I2 through the 2-pole, R2. If you have set the current direction in this way, then we can mark the voltage reference arrows at the source in the opposite direction. In this case, each arrow is pointing from plus to minus. Each arrow is labeled UB because all batteries should be the same, corresponding to the equal battery voltages. At the resistors, the voltage direction is identical to the already determined current flow. The voltage is accordingly in the same direction. Finally, the principle applies to the voltage direction across the lamp.